Yo, Pat Nation, it's Wolfe here, and today's Wolfe Reacts, I'll be reacting to Jensen Ackles' Sounds of Someday. Without wasting any time, so let's get into the reaction. So in 3, 2, 1, and... I like the beat. I love the chorus. So yeah, that was Jensen Ackles' Sound of Home. And I tell you what, that definitely touches you. You know what I mean? Emotional kind, you know what I mean? The emotional side. But yeah, like I said in my last video, reacting to the other song of Jensen Ackles, I didn't find out he was actually, you know, like a singer, an artist, until after that. But if you like this video and if you like Wolfe Reacts, let me know in the comments what you want me to react to. So drop me a bit back like, subscribe if you already haven't, if you're new. Make sure you press the notification bell so you get notified for new videos like reactions or vlogs, whatever I do. Comment below, like I said, tell me what you want me to react to next. Could either be video games, music, or movies or TV shows, whatever you want me to react to. So this has been Wolfe Reacts to Jensen Ackles' Sound of Someday. So until next video, Wolfie is out. Peace out. Bye.